I went to the grocery store to buy bread and this juice, but I ended up buying this frappe creamy lemon herb dressing that I'll probably use for my salads, another pack of vanilla waffles, a couple of these chocolates for my period cravings, and all of these sugar cravings are for my period, and a chapstick. Got it exchanged, got my size now. These are my new cakes. Some stir fry veggies with a couple of soft boiled eggs for dinner, and I added this creamy herb lemon dressing. I hope it tastes good. It looks good. I hope it tastes good as well. I feel the dressing is a little too sweet for my liking, but otherwise it's good. I have so many of these Domino's seasonings, so I'm gonna add some oregano. Good morning, everyone. It's 6:01 a.m. I have to enter the gym, and this t-shirt, which didn't fit me for years, has finally fit me today, so I am pretty excited. And every day I think I'm gonna film snippets in the gym, but I feel so shy because I'm fairly new. Like, not really new because it's already my third week here, but still I feel slightly shy and I don't really record anything. I've already spoken to my trainer, so I'm taking a personal trainer. I think I've already mentioned that. Probably I'm gonna ask him today to film me, or anyway, I'm gonna take personal training for 90 days, which is 3 months, and it's already my third week, so it's been a few days. So he's told me just to give him 90 days, and there's gonna be a transformation, even if it's not humongous, but I can already see changes in my body. So I'm pretty excited to see how these 3 months change me, and I would love to keep you guys also updated with me. So now I'm gonna head to the gym. I'm sweating buckets here. I feel I did not vlog properly today because, like, I don't know. I don't know. There's no particular reason why I didn't vlog properly today. But I already have, we made a very impromptu plan to go to Kalimpong. Originally, we wanted to go to Kurseong and celebrate her birthday. We didn't want to be in Siliguri because we've pretty much been to all the good restaurants here. I'm not very experimental when it comes to food, neither is my mom. Like, we know all the spots where the food is genuinely good. I don't like going to new places and get disappointed because a lot of the food here, to be honest, is very disappointing if you've stayed outside, which is why we thought it's just best to go out. It would be a nice road trip, and also we would get to, like, enjoy the views, get some nice pictures. So when I'm here, I usually book my cab from the same person, and he's very reliable, and I've been booking his cab since the past 1 year. So the person was like, if you go to Kurseong, which is just an hour and a half away, it would be 3,500. But if you go to Kalimpong, which is like 3 hours away almost, it would be 4,000 up and down. And we were like, let's just go to Kalimpong. And I genuinely love the cafes and food there. The food there is stellar. And my mom also really likes Kalimpong, so we went to one of her favorite cafes, Art Cafe, and we had so much fun. We loved our day. Although we were there just for 2 hours, we could not explore the town. So which is one of the reasons I did not vlog, because there wasn't much to do. I just filmed a few snippets here and there. But I have a very detailed Kalimpong vlog on my main channel. I'll link that on this video. Do watch that. Do go and watch that. And if you guys are planning to visit Kalimpong, I would really recommend the place because it's not very touristy, and I don't want it to become as touristy as Darjeeling has become. But the food there is better. The people are better there. And yeah, so that's about it. I did not even go to the gym today. I was supposed to go to the gym today morning, but I just thought that if we go out of town, then it would get very hectic for me because I have to wake up 5 in the morning and not get any rest throughout the day. So I just thought it's better, let me just rest, sleep for a while today, and go out, and I will go back to working out. Tomorrow I do have plans to do a bit of yoga. I feel my yoga practice has gotten very rusty, and so I just want to work on that tomorrow, and Monday onwards back to my gym routine. Good night.